Morning, everyone. Today, I think we're going to attempt to show how to replace the license plate lights, whatever, on an Avalanche. So bear with me. I haven't done this before. I'm going to just crawl under there and see what we got going on. So, yeah, get us under there. Hold on a second. All right, so, if you can see, let me get some lighting there a little bit. Hold on a second. We'll be right back. All right, so anyway, I put some lighting under there, I believe. Okay, I can turn this off. Okay, so since you're working underneath something, probably important to wear some safety goggles, not to get some crud in your eye. I actually already did. So now that I've put some lighting under there, let's see if I can show you guys what we're dealing with here. Okay, so it's actually on one side of the thing and then on the other. And you know what? I got a really horrible angle here, so I can't really. Yes, but that's the plug that we're looking at right there. Okay, you can see it. And there's one on that side, and then over there. I don't know how well you guys can see, but over there. What am I looking at here? No, up and over. I have a really big laptop here with not a very good camera angle, so trying to show you guys is a little bit difficult, actually. I apologize for this. So anyway, that's the plug there, and I think what you can do, I'm going to try and hold this here while I try and work with this if I can, and have the light not fall and everything. But if you know what, I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold you guys there. So anyway, keep hitting the button there. So I apologize for this. Let's see. I'm going to see if I can get you guys an angle where you can still see. Let's see here. Tire's kind of in the way. Okay. So yeah, you can kind of see right over here is the thing, right? So you can kind of see that. Well, also on it, it looks like there's a thing that says to turn it or something like that. I don't know. I'm just gonna try and. Okay, I just turned it a little bit, and it popped right out. So, and then there's the bulb. So, I'm thinking it looks like it just has some. Let's see. Stupid goggles. So yeah, it definitely looks burnt out. I wonder how to get this thing out of there. You just turn it a little bit. Is it just pull it out? Ah, okay. You just pull it out. Okay. So there we go. Just pull that little guy right out of there. Am I even showing this to you? I think yes. Okay. So let me pause it. I'll get the new bulb real quick. Hold on a second. Okay, so we're back. On these little bulbs, as you can see, there's metal on one side, and then the little shoot, I hope you can see that. The little metal is bent over one side of the glass, and on the other side it's bent over the other. So I'm thinking it probably doesn't matter. I'm hoping. I'm hoping it doesn't matter which way this goes in here. I guess we'll find out. Seem to be like a plus or minus on this thing, so I'm gonna put it in there, and I'm gonna start the truck real quick and turn the lights on and see what happens. Hold on a sec. Be right back. Alright, so we're back. Yeah, as you can see, turned on the truck, turned the lights on, and the light bulb came on, so I'm pretty sure they're interchangeable, whichever way you put it in, but I'm gonna demonstrate. I'll pull it out, switch it around, and see if it's interchangeable. Yes, so it doesn't matter which way you put that bad boy in there, it's interchangeable, okay? So pretty much. Let me turn the truck off. It might be hard to hear. Hold on a second. Okay, so we're back. So checking out this little thing, and it has a thing that says lock on there. And if you get close, you can see it's got these two little wings that come off of here on either side of this bulb here on the grayish part. Well, I can't really show you that well, but basically how you lock the plug in, there's two little slots that those wings fit into. So you just push it in there and then you turn it, and that locks it into place. Those little wings go over the plastic, and then let me see if I can get you a picture of that. It's difficult to see what you're seeing because it's a giant laptop I'm using. Can you see? I can't really get you a better angle than that. So there's a hole. You can see it's got a couple little slots in it. That's where those wings go. And then you just push it in there and just turn it, and it'll lock it in there. So I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. I don't think I can give you an angle on that while I'm doing it. Apologize for that, but it's pretty self-explanatory. If you see the little wings on there and then the hole, it's really obvious. Anyway, I believe that's it. That's the right hand side. The left hand side is the same. Just pull it out or turn it. I was able to do it with my hand. If it's really, I don't know, stuck in there, maybe you use like a channel locks or something like that, a smaller one. But anyway, it was really simple. And yeah, really easy. Just pull the light bulb out. It doesn't matter which way the light bulb goes in there. You can turn it either way and shove it into the little slot there. It just pulls straight out, and just push it right back in. And there you go. It's very simple. And thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.